Hey everybody, welcome to 2636 Riverside Drive down here in Cincinnati. Just a short hop down, the river's right across from us. 4 floors of amazing views. You're gonna love it here. Come on inside, let's check it out. Hey everybody, welcome to the garage here at 2636 Riverside Drive. That's right, glass doors. These are amazing. You're gonna love it here. No, the Jag doesn't stay with the house, but just wanted you to see this gigantic garage. Come on in, let's check out the rest of the house. Check out this kitchen, living area, great room. This place has it all. You've got your fireplace, you've got your television, you've got amazing countertops, gas range, all stainless steel appliances, stainless steel hood. This is definitely set for the executive. This is an amazing home. Anyone would love to live here, and you're right across from the Ohio River. Great views. Hey, check this out. This place even has an elevator. I gotta say, I've sold a few properties in my time, never sold one with an elevator in the house. Check this thing out. It goes all the way to the 4th floor. No stairs if you don't need them. Hey everybody, welcome to the observation deck here at 2636 Riverside Drive. You gotta check this place out. I'm telling you, this deck is probably 50 by 25, maybe 30. Amazing views of the river. Just fantastic. Can't wait for the fireworks. Everybody will want to be here for those.